Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Toyota RAV4 CV, stock reference number 4260. The shape runs from the 11th month 2005 through to the 12th month 2012. It has a 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, left power door mirror, non-indicator type. Both left-hand doors have one small dent each. It's fitted with factory side steps, supplied as a pair with all bolts and brackets. This vehicle's fitted with 17-inch factory steel rims. The left rear has a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Spare steel rim, 17-inch, good tyre. It's got an aftermarket Boronia Towbars towbar, 1500 kilo rated, with all bolts, brackets, loom, and module and neck. Right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right hand doors have one small dent each. Right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right power door mirror, non-indicator type, and a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, owner's manual and service book in a dealership case, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.